So when a patient has identified a thyroid nodule, they can be very worried and not know really who they're needing to see in order to best take care of this in its evaluation. Typically the team starts with your primary care. They'll identify the nodule, or you'll go see them, ask their opinion. They may, depending on the nodule, refer you to an endocrinologist, who is someone who looks at the medical side of the thyroid, or a thyroid surgeon, who will be the one to evaluate if that thyroid requires further intervention like surgical removal. That team often works well together. They will share information and sometimes come up with a comprehensive plan that fits you individually as the patient. When we've identified a thyroid nodule, we may further evaluate it with an ultrasound. Depending on those characteristics, it may require further investigation with a needle biopsy. When we see these pieces of information and we hear about the history of how this nodule developed, we may come up with a plan that can include either further observation or surgery. If we elect surgery, usually the team, which will be the endocrinologist and the surgeon, will try to present your different options for treatment. Eventually, we may require surgery, and that is usually done at a surgery center where we will put you asleep and take out this thyroid nodule, and then have a pathologist take a look at it. We try to make the best decision to remove all diseased tissue at that time and try to help your speedy recovery by making sure that your wound and this condition will heal well.